Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Beauty in the World. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Today the beautiful, quite charming and attractive YouTuber Lexi Rivera, American quit YouTuber. She was born 7 June 2001, now the age of 19 years, Los Angeles, California, United States. Profiles Instagram, YouTube, and TikTokers. Hello viewers, today the beautiful quotes of friends. A real friend is one who walk in when the rest of the world walk out. If you live to be 100, I hope I live to be 100 minutes I day. So I never have to live without you. I live to listen. I have learned a great deal. I like to listen. I have learned a great deal from listening carefully. Most people never listen. Friendship is born at the moment when one person say to another, "What? You too, I thought I was the only one." True friendship comes when the silence between two people is comfortable. Sweet is the memory of distant friend, like the mellow rays of the departing suns. It falls tenderly, yet sadly, won the heart. There's not a word yet for old friend who have just met. A single rose can be my garden, a single friend my word. Don't mistake friend who are comfortable to be with. Make a friend who will force you to leave a friendship. You can make more friends in 2 months by coming interested in other people than you can in 2 years by trying to get other people interested in you. A friend is someone who understands your past, believe in your future, and accept you just the way you are. What you do not want do to yourself, do not do to others. Ultimately, the bond of all com- championship, whether in marriage or in friendship, is conversations. How many slams in an old screen door depends how loud you shut it. How many silence in the bread depend how thin you can cut. How much good inside a day depend how good you live in. How much live inside a friend depend how much you give him. A true friend never gets in your way unless you happen to be going down. I don't need a friend who change when I change and who notes when I note. My shadow does that much better. In everyone's life, as sometime our inner fires goes out, it is then burst into flame by an encounter with another human being. We should all be thankful for those people who rekindle the inner spirit. The real test of friendship is, can you literally do nothing with the other person, can you enjoy those moments of life that are utterly simple? A loyal friend laugh at your jokes when they are not so good, and sympathies with your problems when they are not so bad. It is not a lack of love, but a lack of friendship that makes unhappy marriage. Friendship is the hardest thing in the world to explain. It's something you learn in school, but if you haven't learned the meaning of friendship, you really haven't learned anything. If ever there is tomorrow when we were not together, there is something you must always remember. You are braver than you believe, stronger than you seems, and smarter than you think. But the most important thing is, even if we are apart, I always be with you. Growing apart doesn't change the fact that for a long time we grew side by side. Our roots will always be tangled. I am glad for that. Once friends are that part of human race